Hello everyone, welcome to Hassan Ali Promoters. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for regular property updates. Now I am at Rasulpura Metro Station, Begumpet to Secunderabad Road. Here I am going to show you one commercial plus residential property which is at Prakash Nagar, Begumpet. This is cellar plus G plus 1 property. In cellar it's a office space. Ground floor is a residential and first floor is a office space, plug and play office. So you will have a good rental income on this property. So this property is on 350 square yards with build up area of 6000 SFT. It's a registered clear title property in Prakash Nagar. And I request to all the new viewers, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And the viewers who want to sell or promote their property anywhere in Hyderabad, either plots, flats, lands or farmhouses, they can contact me on 7032449911. So for this property we have to take this left. This road stairs goes to our property. And surrounding you can find many apartments, residential and commercial. So it's just hardly 200 meters from this Begumpet to Secunderabad Road, and surrounded by many commercial and residential apartments. So it's a Prakash Nagar area in Begumpet. So this is 350 square yards, the property which I am going to show you. It's a cellar plus G plus 1 building. As you can see in surrounding right and left, there are many commercial activities are going on here. So you have a car access, and this property is a 3 road property actually. You have 3 roads access. So you will be having a good rental income on this property. The price is 4 crore 20 lakh rupees and it's slightly negotiable. Our property just starts from here on this right property. As you can see, it's a very beautiful G plus 1 building. So it's a east facing property and you have very good access from both sides, and even you have very good surrounding here. You can see many high-rise buildings in surroundings. So it's actually 2 road corner property and surrounded by many apartments. It's cellar plus G plus 1. On cellar it's a office space, ground floor is a residential and first floor is a office space, plug and play. So before it was a office operating for here, now it's a totally vacant property. So those who are interested, you can call me on 7032449911. So I can arrange a meeting directly with the owner anytime. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I post regularly property videos on my channel. So thanks for watching. See you guys in next video. Keep sharing, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.